Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 iPhone apps that I believe iPhone users must absolutely have on their device. Most of these apps are really useful. Some of them are apps that will add extra new features to your device, and some of them are just cool apps that I believe you must have them on your device. Another thing you must absolutely do right now is subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed, and of course leaving a like as well will help a ton, so make sure to do that before leaving this video. We're starting things off with the first app. It is called Dream, and this is an amazing app. It uses AI to generate artworks which you can use as a wallpaper for your device. It is really amazing. You can simply search for anything you want and it will generate a wallpaper for you. That's how good it is. So all you have to do is just tap the plus button right here, and all you have to do is just type right there anything you want. You can generate artworks for basically anything you can think of. Just search for anything you want there and then just go ahead and choose the art style right here. You will have different kinds of art styles that you can choose from, or of course choose no style at all. You can also select an image, one of these images right here, or load your own, which will basically be used as a reference for the artwork. Now, once you have done all that, just tap on create and it will use AI to generate an artwork for you based on the word that you have used right there to search. And you will see right now it is creating the wallpaper, basically the artwork. It is really amazing. It just looks pretty awesome. So you can see this is the artwork that it actually has generated. I searched for Formula 1 and you can see right here the artwork. Now if you don't like it, you can tap right here, generate again, and it will generate another one, of course with the same settings that you have added before. So let's just wait here for a few seconds for this one as well. So it is actually creating it. It will take like 10 to 15 seconds to generate an artwork, and you can see how cool that looks. Now I can share it from here. You can buy a print if you want from them based on the artwork that you have created, or you can just tap the download button and you can save the original or download it as a wallpaper for your device. And you can see this is one of them that I have created for my device, and it actually makes the device look really good and pretty unique. Markdown keyboard is the next app for the video. It will add a super useful keyboard to your iOS device. Now the first thing you want to do after you have installed the app, go to your settings, go to general, go to keyboard, go to keyboards right here, add a new keyboard, and here you will find Markdown keyboard, and then of course you can use it anywhere you want. You simply switch to that keyboard and this is what it offers. Now you can see the keyboard is exactly the same like the default keyboard of iOS, and you can use this button to enable or disable the Markdown options right here, but it basically allows to quickly edit text without having to use anything else. You will have everything right here, so you can see if you want to start maybe like a list or something like that, you can do that directly from here. You can move the text. You can just simply do anything you want. Like let's say you're writing a text, you need to add the current time, tap right there, or tap right here to add the date. That's how good this is. And you can see add.com, the ad of course right there. Just do basically the stuff that you actually use a lot when texting and things like that. When maybe writing an essay or something like that, you can actually just go ahead, format your text, and do pretty much anything directly from here without having to use any other options as well. All you have to do is just use the Markdown keyboard. Next up is an app called Oneboard. This is a new app that has just recently been released, but it's actually quite good, very simple to use, also a very simple interface, but it's very useful. So Oneboard allows you to manage your clipboard. Now the way it works, once you have opened the app and you have something copied to your clipboard, it will add it to the list right here. So you will have your stuff here, and then you will have the stuff that has been copied from your clipboard. So this will be done automatically once you have opened the app. You don't actually need to paste anything here. Now whenever you need to use anything that you had copied previously on your clipboard, all you have to do is come to the app, tap right there, and you can see it is automatically copied to your clipboard. Or if you go to the list, you can add your stuff here, basically things, maybe phrases, maybe phone numbers or emails, or just things that you use a lot on your phone. You will have the list here. Once you need some like that, let's say like an email or you need a phone number, all you gotta do is come here, tap on it, and it's copied to your clipboard. As easy as that. You can have your things right at your fingerprints right here. Anything that you use frequently on your device will be shown right here, and of course you can search for them here. You can of course just favorite them to see them at the top right here, and it is very convenient. The next app for the video is called Blend. Now this is an app that allows you to remove the background from photos. It works really well, and it allows you to also create some really amazing designs. So let's just load a photo here. So here I have a screenshot that I have taken on my device. I can use this photo, and you will see now once it's processed, it will remove the background, and I will only have this little card right here, which is of course the subject of this screenshot. So let's just wait for that. So it should take like 10 seconds right there to finish, and you can see how it does the work. So you can see right there, it has actually removed the background, and it looks really good. Now I can use one of these colors right here. So let's say I just want to use this pop-up image right here. I can have it with that color in the background, and you can see how good that looks. Everything has actually been done automatically, which is really awesome. Now I can edit this, I can edit the image, edit the background if I want to from here, and of course I can just maybe flip it, maybe add shadows, crop it, and things like that. And once you're done with your design, all is left to do is of course share it from here, and that way also save it on your camera roll. So this is how easy you can create these images and remove the background from your images with this app. So tap right here, save to device, and of course tap on download, and you're good to go. The next app for the video is called Retweet. Now this is one of my favorite apps which I use on my personal social media when I want to share a tweet on other social media. You can see how good this looks. So let's say you want to share something legendary like this, you can just go ahead, copy the URL of that tweet, open the app, and it will show you right there that card, and you will have a design in the background, make it look really good. So you can see we have different backgrounds we can choose from here, and of course you also will be able to add more, like things like username. You can enable or disable that, time and date, and all likes and retweets and all that can be actually enabled or disabled. Once you have done all that and you have the tweet looking like you want to and it's ready to be shared, just tap the share button, and from here of course you will be able to export it. Of course with the free version you will have to actually watch an ad if you want to export it, but it's still worth it if you like to share tweets, and of course you want to have these amazing designs. You can go ahead and share it from here, and even if you want to buy it, it's not that expensive at all. Bigoli is the next app for the video. It allows you to scan business cards and will extract all the information for you. All you gotta do, tap that camera button right there and take a picture of the business card. It will scan it for you, and you will have all the information there. So here we have just like a sample of a business card. You can see it has actually extracted everything here. So we have of course the address, we have the home page, the phone number, actually with the email, and also the name right there. Now we can edit this of course by tapping edit right there, or we can just go ahead and share this, and if we want to save these informations, we can go ahead and save this card to the Files app. And now we have some apps that I have shared before, but these are actually really good, and I think every user deserves to have these apps and of course know about them. SoundLink is probably one of the best apps that I have recently installed on my device. So what it allows you to do is share music on any platform you want. So let's say you use Spotify or Apple Music, whatever you use. I use Spotify. Here's a song that I like. What I can do is tap that share button, tap right here on more, and from here I can tap on SoundLink. Now it will take me to SoundLink and I will have everything there. So let's say your friend maybe uses Apple Music, you can't send them this link from Spotify. What you can do is go ahead and tap on the share button, and you will get all the services right here. So you have the video from YouTube, and you will have the link. So if I want to share it as an Apple Music song, I can tap it right there. I can open it on the app from here. I can copy the link or just share it from here. The same goes for every service here, or if you want to watch it on YouTube, for example, you can copy the link or open it directly on YouTube. That's how easy it is to find the song that you want on any major platform for music and of course videos as well. The next app is called Highlighter and it is super useful. Now anytime you want to share a screenshot, maybe send it to someone or just share it on your social media, but you want to hide something, you probably will use the markup tool of iOS, but that's not that good at all. What you can do with Highlighter is just choose the highlighter right there and choose the magic highlighter. What it does, you simply do like that and you can see how it fixes that, and it will actually hide the stuff that you want. You can see how easy it is to use, and it will adjust the thickness of the highlighter, and of course it'll let you just highlight, and of course just make sure you go ahead and you just hide anything you want. That's how easy it is. Of course you can change the color if you want to, so we're gonna hide that with a different color. You will have of course the undo and redo buttons right here, and you will have the eraser as well. So if you want to erase anything that you have actually just highlighted, you can do that with the eraser. Once you're done, of course tap the share button and you will be able to save this under your camera roll. The next app for the video is called Unroll Me, and this is super useful, especially if you get a lot of emails. Now, it will have a ton of subscriptions probably on your email. Some of them don't even know where you got them from. This app will help for you. Go ahead and install this app and sign in with your email, and you will see right here all the subscriptions that you have. Now you can unsubscribe right here, as easy as that. You can see how easy it is to unsubscribe from something, or you can keep them if you want to keep them on your inbox. And you can roll up if you want to keep them but don't want to show them on your inbox. That's how easy it is. You will see all the subscriptions right here. You will see the roll up right here, as easy as that. So if you go to one of these by tapping right there, you will see the details of course of that, and you can still basically do the same, keep them, unsubscribe them, and of course roll up from there. So this is basically the last email that you got from this subscription, and that's how easy it is to actually unsubscribe from any email you want. When it comes to iPhone apps, there is that one app that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device. It is called App Raven. It is an amazing app and also an amazing community. Right here, what you will find, the best apps on iOS, of course. Popular apps, of course, you can go ahead and see the popular apps for today or maybe this week or this month. You will find apps on sale right there. You will have new releases recently updated, and by going right here, we'll see the users collections. Right here, we'll find collections that have been created by users, which of course have amazing apps on them. You will be able to find a lot of amazing apps for your device. Now, this is the app that I use for a long time now, and I basically use this daily, and like 90% of the apps that you will see on my videos are from this app right here. It is really easy to discover amazing apps using App Raven, so make sure you go ahead and install it. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 apps that I believe every iPhone user must absolutely have on their device. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one.